Equation of the with focus at minus 1 comma 1 E equal to 1 by 2 and directrix is x minus y plus 3 equal to 0. Pxy any point on the ellipse on the P by Pm equal to E. In all three chapters, parabola, ellipse and hyperbola, S is given. P, any point on the ellipse. E value 1 by 2. What is Pm? Pm, perpendicular distance from P to the directrix. Write down equation of the ellipse is St by Pm equal to E. St by Pm equal to 1 by 2. 2 into Sp equal to Pm. 2 into distance between S point and P point, x plus 1 whole square, y minus 1 whole square. Next, Pm, perpendicular distance from P to L, modulus of x minus y plus 3 by under root a square value 1 square, b square value minus 1 whole square. This is a square value, this is b square value. By cross multiplication, this is root 2. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 root 2 under root x plus 1 whole square, y minus 1 whole square, x minus y plus 3. Squaring on both sides. 2 square value 4, minus 2 whole square value 2, 4 into 2 8, root 2 square cancel, x square plus 1 plus 2x, y square plus 1 minus 2y. In RHS, apply a plus b plus c whole square formula. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into x into minus y plus 2 into 3 into x 2 into 2ab plus 2b, this is 2ab plus 2bc, b value minus y, c value 3 plus 2c value 3 x, a square plus b square plus c square, 2ab plus 2b into c plus 2 into c into a. Next, 8x square plus 8 plus 16x plus 8y square plus 8 minus 16y. In RHS, x square plus y square plus 9 plus into minus minus 2xy minus 6y plus 6x minus 2xy minus 6y plus 6x. Bring RHS into LHS. 8x square plus 8 plus 16x plus 8y square plus 8 minus 16y minus x square minus y square minus 9 plus 2xy plus 6y minus 6x equal to 0. xy term, y square, x, y constant. This is the order. X square, xy, y square, x, y constant equal 0. First x square values. 8 minus 1, 7x square, xy value plus 2xy, y square value 8 minus y minus 1, 7 y square. Next x values 16x minus 6x plus 10x. Similarly, y values minus 16y plus 6y minus 10y. Next constants 8 plus 8 16 minus 9 minus 9 7 equal to 0. Minus 1 e value 2/3, x value, L value, x plus y plus 2 equal to 0 plus 2 equal to 0. The equation of the ellipse in form, in the standard form, if it passes through it passes through square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. There is two unknowns, a and b. So, given two conditions, this ellipse passing through minus 2 comma 2 and 3 comma minus 1. That means substitute first point in the ellipse equation. We get a relation in AB and substitute second equation. Then we get a relation in AB. Solve that two equations. Then find the values of A value and B value. Note down. Let square by A square plus y square by b square equal to 1. This is equation number 1. Given this is passing through, minus 2 comma 2 and 3 comma minus 1. Substitute these 2 points. Minus 2 whole square by a square, 2 square by b square equal to 1. This implies 4 by a square, 4 by b square minus 1 equal to 0. Substitute the second equation. 3 square by a square, 1 square by b square equal to 1. 9 by a square plus 1 by b square, 1 by b square minus 1 equal to 0. A square equal to p. 1 by b square equal to q. Let 1 by a square equal to p. 1 by b square equal to q. Therefore, equation number 2, 4p plus 4q minus 1 equal to 0. 1 by a square value p. So this is 4p. 1 by b square value q. 4q minus 1. 9p plus q minus 1 equal to 0. Solving 2 and 3. 4 minus 1 4 minus 1 4 1 minus 1 9 1 minus 1 9 1 p q 1 p by AD value minus 4 minus BC value minus 1 Q by AD value minus 9 minus BC value minus 4 equal to 1 by AD value 4 minus BC value 36 P by minus 4 plus 1 Q by minus 9 plus 4 1 by minus 32 P by minus 3 Q by minus 5 1 by minus 32 minus 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 cancel P by 3 equal to 1 by 32 P value 3 by 32 Q by 5 equal to 1 by 32 Q value 5 by 32. We want A square and B square values. P is 1 by A square. So P equal to 1 by A square equal to 3 by 32. That implies reciprocal both. A square equal to 32 by 3. 32 by 3. Q equal to 1 by B square equal to 5 by 32. B square value 32 by 5. 32 by 5. From 1, required ellipse is x square by A square value 32 by 3. Y square by B square value 32 by 5. 3 x square by 32. 5 y square by 32 equal to 1. 32 LCM 3x square plus 5y square equal to 1. By cross multiplication 3x square plus 5y square equal to 32.